Today I am reviewing the PreSonus Eris 3.5 powered studio monitors. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you have been looking for a way to upgrade your desktop audio without spending a fortune, you have probably run into the PreSonus Eris 3.5 monitors. After using these on my desk for the past month, I have a pretty clear idea of where they shine and where they fall short. You can check the links below the video to explore the product or find its current price if you want to follow along with the specs. The first thing I noticed when I pulled these out of the box is the size. They are genuinely compact, which is perfect if you have a cluttered desk or a small bedroom studio. Despite the small footprint, the build quality feels surprisingly solid. These are powered monitors, meaning the amplifier is built right into the left speaker, so you don't need an external receiver or amp to get them running. When it comes to the sound signature, these lean toward what you would call an honest flat response. They are not like those consumer computer speakers that artificially boost the bass to make everything sound punchy and muddy. The 3.5-inch woven composite woofers do a great job of keeping the mid-range clear. If you are editing dialogue for a video or mixing a basic track, you can actually hear the textures in the vocals. The silk dome tweeters are a major plus because they don't have that piercing, fatiguing high end that you get with cheaper plastic drivers. However, let's be realistic about the bass. If you are expecting these to shake your floor or provide that deep sub-bass thump found in high-end club speakers, the biggest disappointment for some will be the lack of Bluetooth. In an era where everything is wireless, having to deal with cables for your phone or tablet can feel a bit dated, even if wired connections are objectively better for audio quality. Also, the power switch is on the back of the left speaker, which can be a bit annoying to reach if you have your desk pushed tight against a wall. Overall, the PreSonus Eris 3.5 monitors offer a level of clarity and build quality that is hard to beat for the money. They are not perfect and they won't replace a full-range studio system, but for the vast majority of people looking to improve their desktop experience, they are a solid, reliable choice. If you are ready to stop using tinny speakers and start hearing your audio the way it was intended to be heard, these are a great place to start. Don't forget to check the links below the video to see if they are the right fit for your specific setup.